In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear engine mount on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the back side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 17mm socket, remove the two nuts on either side for the guard. Remove the nuts and remove the shield. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the 4 bolts for the base of the mount. Remove the bolts. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go up on the seam of the transmission and jack up the motor. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to break the top bolt free. Remove the top bolt. Remove the bottom air fitting off of the mount. Pull it straight off. Remove the rubber from the old mount and install it onto the new. Install the motor mount down into place. And we're going to install that air line onto the bottom. Make sure it's fully seated. We're going to have to go slightly up on our jack. Get the mount installed into place. We're going to get the 4 base bolts started by hand. I'm going to start on the back right. Snug down the bolts. Do the same thing on the back side. Torque the base bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. Install the top bolt for the mount. Torque the top bolt to 40 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the top bracket. Get the nuts started on either side. Snug down the nuts on either side for the top bracket. Torque the nuts to 33 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.